I know we're talking about the negative parts of technology, but I think some of the positive parts of technology have helped, especially my younger daughter, because she's also on the spectrum.
Yeah.
But she's non-verbal, so
Oh, okay.
and I feel guilty when he's talking about time on iPads about a certain amount of times, but when she doesn't talk, and I don't, we've had speech therapists with her, but in terms of, we found that the iPad is just something that really helps
Wow.
to make you focus on something. For my daughter, when she studied in iPad, we found that was a savior for us, because it was really hard to communicate with her.
Yep.
But now language is picking up because she's getting older, and now we're using that some of the cues from the whatever she's using just to
Yep.
talk to her. So those kind of parts of technology are really helpful to us, but at the same time we know that we can't rely on that forever. Maybe